Hello friends, if you are planning to renovate your house or do a new interior in 2026, then watch this video carefully before spending your hard-earned money. Because today I will show you 12 simple interior ideas that can make your normal house look luxurious and premium without spending a lot of extra money. Most people spend lakhs of rupees on interiors, but still their house looks very ordinary. The reason is simple. They follow outdated ideas or they make small mistakes in design. But if you follow these simple points, your house will automatically start looking rich, modern and stylish. And watch this video till the end because the last tip is the simplest trick, but very few people know about it. So let us start. The first thing is doors, especially sliding doors. Many people install basic aluminium sliding doors. But honestly, they often look like shop shutters. Instead, modern interiors are using frameless or slim frame sliding doors. These doors look very clean and minimal. They can be used for kitchen entrance, balcony doors, or partitions. You also get different finishes like black, gold, or rose gold frames, which give a stylish look. Now let us talk about windows. Because windows decide how much natural light your house will get. Earlier, many houses had small windows with grills and heavy frames. But modern interiors prefer bigger windows. Large windows allow more natural light and fresh air, and naturally, bright houses always look more premium. Today, many modern homes use system aluminium windows. These windows are stronger, slimmer, and allow bigger glass panels. So the room looks more open and modern. They may be slightly more expensive than normal windows, but they can completely change the feel of a room. Now let us talk about something that instantly makes a wall look luxurious. That is wall panels with tiles. Whenever you make a wall panel, maybe in your living room or TV wall, you can add decorative tiles along with it. You don't have to buy very expensive tiles. Even white tiles with grey veins or golden veins can give a very rich look. You can also add a thin black border tile around it and put a warm white focus light or COB light on the tiles. This small lighting trick makes the wall look very premium even if the tiles are not expensive. So with a small budget change, your wall can start looking like a luxury hotel wall. Now the next point is another wall panel idea that many people are using in modern interiors. If you have a staircase area or walkway, you can install HDHMR wall panels there. HDHMR boards are strong and moisture resistant, which makes them a popular choice for interior work. You can get CNC cutting designs done on these panels. Then you can paint them with PU paint or Duco paint in pastel shades. These panels look very stylish, and the best part is that their design usually does not go out of trend quickly. Many fancy wall panel designs look outdated after 2 or 3 years. But simple panels with soft colors and clean designs stay in trend for a longer time. Now let us talk about COB lights, which are very common in false ceilings. Normally, these lights come in round or square shapes. When the light is on, they look fine, but when they are off, they sometimes look very plain. Nowadays, many designers use COB lights with decorative inner rings, like gold or metallic rings. Even when the light is off, the ceiling still looks elegant. And when the light is on with warm white color, it gives a very cozy and luxurious feel. Now another small design trick that can make your interior look neat is hiding the curtain rods and AC pipes. In many houses, you can see curtain rods and AC pipes openly on the wall, and it reduces the premium feel. A better solution is to create a pelmet or a curved false ceiling design. Pelmet is basically a cover that hides curtain rods. You can make it using POP, plywood or HDHMR board and give it a soft curved design. This hides the rods and pipes and the wall looks much cleaner. Even if you are making a false ceiling, you can design it in a way that these elements stay hidden. Another important place where many people make mistakes is kitchen storage. Earlier, kitchens used wicker baskets for fruits and vegetables. But over time, these baskets can bend, break, or become difficult to clean. Nowadays, many modular kitchens use perforated metal baskets. These baskets slide smoothly on channels and they also look more modern. They are stronger and easier to maintain compared to old wicker baskets. Now here is another small detail that many people ignore. Door hinges. Traditional hinges are visible from outside and sometimes they do not look very neat. Modern interiors often use concealed hinges. These hinges stay hidden inside the cabinet or door. So when the door is closed, you cannot see the hinge from outside. This small change can make furniture look much cleaner and more premium. Now here is another trick that many people use while renovating. If your house already has a tiles but you are bored of the design, you don't always have to remove them. You can install SPC flooring or laminate flooring over the existing tiles. This saves a lot of time and labor. SPC flooring has become very popular because it is quick to install and gives a wooden flooring look. So if someone wants a new look without breaking tiles, this can be a good option. Some people choose very dark tiles thinking they will look premium. But in reality, dark tiles show dust, scratches and stains very easily. So maintenance becomes very difficult. A better option is to choose beige, light grey or white tone tiles with soft patterns. Tiles with light veins or subtle texture look elegant and they also hide dust better than plain tiles. Also, try to choose larger tiles, like 2 feet by 4 feet tiles or even bigger. Larger tiles mean fewer grout lines, and fewer grout lines make the floor look more seamless and luxurious. And one more important thing, always choose matching grout color with the tile shade. If grout color is very different, the floor may look patchy. Next thing is lighting and switch design. Because lighting plays a huge role in how luxurious a house looks. Nowadays, many houses have 10 to 20 lights in one room. False ceiling lights, strip lights, lamps, decorative lights and more. But the problem comes with the switches. People install big switchboards with 10 or 12 switches. And honestly, it looks very messy on the wall. It can spoil the whole interior. Instead of that, you can install smart switch panels. These switches are compact, clean looking, and many of them also come with remote control or mobile control. So imagine this, you are lying on your bed and you can control all the lights without getting up. It feels very comfortable and also gives a premium smart home feeling. And the cost difference is not very big compared to normal switches. Now here is a simple but powerful interior trick. If you want your house to look luxurious, keep the walls simple. Many people try to decorate every wall with heavy designs, and that actually makes the room look crowded. Simple walls with a few good decor items look much more elegant. You can add wall lamps, floor lamps, plants or artwork. Green plants especially look beautiful with white or light color interiors. White walls, light flooring, warm lighting, and a little greenery together can make a house look extremely premium. So sometimes simplicity is a real luxury. Now, before we finish, tell me one thing in the comments. Which idea from this video did you like the most? And if you are planning to build or renovate your house in the future, type new home in the comments. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.